MIRURUGANO nĩ atĩ kũrũmĩrĩra rĩendekithia RIENDEKITHIA KUHINGA mathukuru mothe wa IRAA. Ũmũthĩ mathukuru nĩ makorirwo magĩcokereria onathengia wa HAHU ya MIRURUGANO ĩrĩa ĩtĩtio nĩ ngwatanĩro ya AZIMIO. Kaunti ya NAIROBI mathomo nĩ macokereirie onathengia wa mathukuru mamwe gũkorwo makĩandĩkithia namba nini ya arutwo. Thukuru SEKONDARY wa URIA uri mwena wa KIBRA nĩ ũmwe wa ũrĩa wandĩkithĩtie namba nini, aciari makiuga marĩ na HAHU ya gũkorwo magĩcokia ciana ciao mathukuru-inĩ rĩrĩ MIRURUGANO ĩrathiĩ na mbere bũrũri-inĩ.
We had been directed to come back to school, but unfortunately majority of our students did not turn up. Only 27 were in school, and we have released them at around 11 because we have heard that there is some tension in KIBRA, and majority of our boys are from KIBRA sub-county. So I would hate to have them mix with those groups that are there. A few teachers had turned up, but they have also left because there is no learning that is going on. So we don't know whether they will turn up tomorrow, but there are some parents who are a bit worried. Have received a few calls and they're like, what is happening? But now I told them we are also fearing for the lives of the students. But the demonstrations are really affecting the running, especially this area of KIBRA. I feel that we are losing a lot, but we have no other now. Save lives. For those few days, or the days that we have had maandamano, so we find that the syllabus is lagging behind. Like the Form 4s, we had planned to do something before they do the end of term exams, but now I'm seeing a situation whereby we may not be able to do anything. So I don't know. Anyway, we hope things will be okay. It's my prayer that we will have peace so that we can continue with our running.
Watoto walikuja na walimu wakakaa, wakaona wasasi wamekuja kuchukua watoto kwa sababu ya huko KIBRA kumeanza hizo matia gasi nini. Wasasi waliogopa wakakujia watoto wao, walimu wakabaki hakuna watoto, wakatoka. Wanaogopa kuleta watoto.
Mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV no ikorwo ikiona